Hi guys.
What is it? Oh no! Hey guys, I'm eating. Mommy is eating. Little. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Look at what mommy is eating. My mother is eating. What's this?
Eat fish.
Dried fish. And tomatoes.
Tomato.
You want to try?
Try.
Come here. Try it. Yummy. Bye guys. Bye na.
Fish.
You want to try the fish? Come here. Come on.
We are facing a record surge in COVID-19 cases, with 4,213 new infections since
Preparations for the summer launch. Government secures agreements with multiple manufacturers focused on high-risk populations and supply chain readiness.
Come here, eat. You want to try?
No.
Okay, don't want.
Don't want.
Mana? Goodbye, guys. Finish na video. I'm in a video. So